put a letter.
Yeah.
On the ringband.
Yeah. And he will get it and then read it. The person. We just remove it.
Yeah.
And then fold it up.
And then tape it on the ringband.
Alright, let's draw something. What you will draw?
What do you want to say?
We bring the cook.
We feed the cook and
We give him water.
we hope that the cook got home safely.
Yeah.
Oh, you're right. You know how to write? Not yet. Let me write. We feed the pigeon. And feed him water. zztvids.
Ay, gising na kayo. Ay, luto mo lang ito na restaurant.
Oh, yeah. You can't read my letter because it's so pangit.
Why?
Oh. Let's go up na. How you teleport? Huh? How you
This
teleport?
is my magic. I will freeze it. Freeze. Unpause.
Unpause. Oh, give him food muna. A little bit. Dito, Zane. I put that out. Bigyan mo na siyang baon. Dun.
This one has the cocoa in that hours.
Huh? Who's that cook?
I don't know.
That's the papa. Flyer.
It looks like a different cocoa. Oh, I see flyer.
Kakain muna siya. Tapos, pakawalan na natin.
They can't fly now. He just jumped out and fly.
Yeah. So, we feed our cook also. Our pigeons.
And where's the note? Where's the note?
Here.
I want to put it on.
Oo, later pa. You feed your pigeons pa eh. What's that smell?
Oh,
Yeah, I smell a pupo.
there.
No, that's the one I clean eh.
I think that's my poo.
Yeah, pupo.
Yeah.
Oh, I see it. A cat poop on the roof. That's why it's so baho.
There.
Kain na. Did the pigeon eat na? The visitor pigeon?
Giant eating.
No, the visitor, I mean. He's not eating.
I saw three things. I saw three tiny things.
So what?
I saw three tiny things.
3 tiny things?
Yeah, outside.
What 3?
3 of them. 3 of like a bird. Not like a bird. It looks big. It looks small. That must be
Baba.
Like we want to put over.
Let him eat a little. Hmm?
to go down.
You want to go down na? Oh, we put the code na nga eh. Help me put the toad. The toad. The code ah. So first, you need to
Tape it.
Oo.
Text na si Bakit.
Wait lang. Yung?
Corned beef. May itlog yan. Bigyan mo na lang si Eloy pagkayari.
Oh.
Hindi ka nag-message si King.
Di pa. Okay. He's still full pala eh. Still have food eh, oh. Touch his tummy.
Yeah.
There's still food. Look at him. He's super thin. But I think we can put the
Oh.
letter. Love letter.
We'll tape it off.
We will tape it on his ring. I'll put it in.
Now tape it.
It's moving so much eh. Hold mo muna to. Wait.
You can't stick.
I'll put it in.
I want to show him. He's biting. No biting. No biting. Chunky, chunky. That man will check something and on the
Me.
flex will remove it.
Yeah, you will see our message.
Now I want to show him. I want to show him.
Show him.
Yeah.
So guys, we will be letting him go home na.
And
Okay.
who will show him?
Same. Okay. Wait. 1, 2, 3, go. Why is that? Why coming back?
Oh, because he's too chunky.
We need to show him.
Make a noise like.
Oh, he's flying na.
Maybe because I make the noise. Now we can go down.
Yeah, we hope that that pigeon can go home and
So
go home onto his owner.
I
think.
saw him.
Yeah, I saw him go there.
So thanks for watching. Have a fun all day.
Funnel day again.
I
Oh, he's
know.
here. I think he's trying to find his way back home.
Now we
And
can go down first.
thank you for watching, guys. We're going down. Bye.